This video explores why most enterprise chatbots fail. Most enterprise chatbots fail, not because of AI, but because of architecture. The problem is that companies install chatbots that only answer basic questions or connect to a knowledge base, but it doesn't connect to ERP and CRM, inventory systems, or any internal workflows. So what happens? They become FAQ bots, not a business systems. The reality check is a chatbot that cannot pull live invoice data, check stock, trigger approvals, or update customer records is not true enterprise AI. It is just an interface, not enterprise AI. The real difference is that a true enterprise AI chatbot connects directly to your ERP and systems, pulls live operational data instantly, executes complex internal workflows, logs everything automatically. It doesn't just answer questions, it performs actions. Before implementing AI, a practical framework asks 3 questions. Is it connected to core systems? Can it trigger real processes? Does it reduce manual work? If the answer to any of these is no, it will fail. Enterprise AI is about integrating intelligence into operations, not just adding chat. That's where most projects go wrong, and that's where real architecture begins. Ready to give your customers a better answer? Visit goglobe.com to turn technical failure into real ROI. Your profit, our priority. Let's get to work.